Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. A while since I last did a coupon video. Man, I can't even breathe. Let me take this down for a second. I think it was right before like quarantine, and I wanted to share with you guys the sales that are going on this week. Well, whatever sale I'm gonna get. Let me show you guys. I follow this girl on Instagram, and she's always posting like things that are on sale at like Family Dollar or Dollar General, like just different places. And I usually just like check her out and see what she has posted, which makes it a lot easier than me having to actually like look on the app and check out the coupons that they have, the specials that are going on. There's two different ones that she has, and I'm going to show you guys which one she has going on for this sale is going through from the 11th, which is today, to the 17th. And also some people might have gotten some coupons in the mail. So this is the girl I follow, and like I said, she makes posts. I will be leaving her Instagram name on the screen, so you can go ahead and follow her if you'd like. So she has, like I said, she has a little pictures where it shows you like what you can buy, what coupon you'll need, and how much it'll be plus tax. This is the one I'm gonna get today, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to clip the coupons, just in case if you do wanna come and shop and now you know how to clip the coupon. So I already have this Tide coupon on there, so let's see. You just gotta check. This is Save 3 on 92 ounces. Yeah, that's not the right one, so it has to be 30 to 40 ounces. And this one I'm gonna remove it because that's not the one that I'm using today, and I'm gonna scroll down and see what other one they have. So this is also 69 ounces. That's not the one I'm looking for, and this is the one. This is 37 ounces. So I'm gonna go ahead and add that to my trip. Okay, and then the next one is the Tide Pods. So we'll scroll down and it's right here, so add that as well. So here are the things I'm getting on this trip. Obviously those popsicle sticks are not part of the deal that she posted, but if you're ready to go check out and you're not sure if you clipped all of the coupons, you can just go ahead and go on your phone, go on here and scan the item to make sure that you have the correct coupon for. So there's that one. It's clipped already, so I'm good. But just so you're sure, since if you're a beginner, you want to make sure, and you don't want to make people wait in line and just get annoyed. So it'll just make your life a lot easier if you do this before actually checking out. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys how much I ended up paying for everything. Like I ended up getting those popsicle sticks in the bigger gain. So it was a little bit more expensive. It was $14.46 after tax, but the price originally was supposed to be $29. So I did save a lot with just those digital coupons. I thought there was an extra $5 off coupon, so I added that on. If not, it would have been a little bit more. But yeah, so I just paid $14.76 after tax for all of these items that I just got. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you are not already subscribed, and I'll see you guys in my next video.